Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Amra is practicing to participate in an upcoming marathon. She runs 2 kilometers every day. What is the total distance she covered in the month of January? Now for that we need to know number of days in January, and that is equal to 31. Therefore, distance covered in January will be 31 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 62 kilometers, as she runs 2 kilometers every day. So Amra covered 62 kilometers of distance. This is the answer. Answer is option A.